Hello everyone, I am Monika from IELTS 9. Let's do this reading. That reading name is this Katherine Mansfield. Reading passage 1 was this, and this was reported by many students for 7th March 2026 IELTS exam that had happened in India. So this means that this reading this reading can be part of your next exam or next to next in other part of this world. So do practice with me, that's more important. And for this reading we have been provided true false not given and another type of question also there, that is fill in the blanks, complete the notes. So let's start with first type of question, that is true false not given. Yes, before starting my questions here, before solving the reading passage, please do practice with me, that's more important. Practice is important, and after that if you find it helpful then you can subscribe. Okay, then you can subscribe, like and hype my video. There is no harm, there is no fees for that. Okay, so let's do true false not given for this reading. So how to do true false not given, that's more important to understand the strategy. So when it is going to be true, if the statement agrees with the information. Statement are these statements, question statements, and information we will get it here in these paragraphs. Okay, so first I will read the question statement. I will try to understand the meaning of this reading passage, meaning of this question statement, and then come out with one or two keyword that will help us to locate the information in the passage. And this is first question. Definitely you will get this location, question number 1, location in first or maybe in second. Okay, so the name, I'm reading it. The name Katherine Mansfield that appears on the writer's book was exactly same as her original name. So here question says the name Katherine Mansfield that appears on book was exactly the same as her original name. So it means writers. So this is Katherine Mansfield. Katherine is person name, means lady name. Okay, so if the name was exactly same, then it will be true, and if the name was something different, then it will be false. And if they're not talking whether the name was original or duplicate, you can say then not given. So let's read first paragraph. Please do practice with me. Left side reading passage is this, and right side questions are there. So they have given introduction. Mansfield was a modernist writer of short fiction who was born and brought up in New Zealand. So Katherine Mansfield Beechamp Murray was born in 1898 into prominent family in Wellington. So four words are there with this Katherine. Katherine Mansfield Beechamp Murray. So she was born in prominent family in Wellington, New Zealand. She became one of the New Zealand's best known writers. Okay, using the pen name of Katherine Mansfield. So here this is the location, and now decide what is your answer. What is your answer? Whether it was Katherine Mansfield was the same on the book as her original name. Original name. This is her original name, Katherine Mansfield Beauchamp Murray. This was her original name, and on books using the pen name of Katherine Mansfield. Okay, so it means it is not exactly the same. This is contradiction of information, so this is false. Okay, coming to second one, Mansfield won a prize for a story. Okay, she wrote for the high school reporter. If she won a prize for a story that she wrote for high school reporter, then it will be true. And if it is given like that she had written stories for her school reporter, then it will be, if there is no description about prize kind of thing, then it will be not given. Okay, so let's find high school reporter, and prize is my keyword. I mean, she was also first cousin of this and this, so we are looking for high school reporter. High school reporter. Herald is given, went on to become chairperson bank. The Mansfield errors happiness of her childhood. So here high school I can see here in second paragraph. Her first published stories appeared in the High School Reporter and Wellington Girls 7 High School magazine in 1898. She developed strong feeling for a musician who played the cello. So it is given like that. She won a prize for a story she wrote for the high school. So nothing is given about prize. Her first published story appeared in the High School Reporter and Wellington Girls. Okay, so somewhere. So nothing is given like that. So I will mark it not given. Okay. So third is how Pearl Button was kidnapped portrayed Maori people in a favorable way. If okay, let's find this Maori people and Pearl Button. Okay, and after that, uh, kidnapping and all portrayed Maori people in a favorable way. But first, we will find this keyword Pearl Button. You will get the location after second question. Location is here, so means in this paragraph. After that, we will try to find the word button. Feeling to some extent and in general terms of our interest. Maori people, it is also there. It means location is here. New Zealand's native who were portrayed word is also there in sympathetic light in her later stories, such as how Pearl. Okay, same. It means this is story name. How Pearl Button was kidnapped, and this story portrayed Maori people in a favorable way. So here it is given Maori people who were often portrayed in a sympathetic light. It means favorable way. So this is also true. Okay, coming to fourth. When Mansfield was at Queen's College, so this is my keyword, Queen's College, she planned to be a professional writer. If she planned to be a professional writer, then it will be true. Okay, so let's move to next paragraph. Now coming to Queen's College, we were looking for C. Now B paragraph we have done. Now we will find it here. I can see Queen's College word, it is here. When Mansfield was at Queen's College, she planned to be a professional writer. She moved to London in 1903, where she attended Queen's College along with her two sisters. Mansfield recommenced playing on cello, on an occupation that she believed during her time at Queen's she would take up professionally. She also began contributing to the college newspaper with such a dedication to it. She eventually became its editor. She was particularly interested in the works of this British writer. Okay, she planned to be a professional writer. Okay, recommenced. Okay, so an occupation she believed during her time she would take up profession. She also began contributing to the okay such. So everything it is given, so we can mark it. Queens for the lively. So all everything we have got. She must met fellow and did not actively support. Okay, began journeying into other fields of Europe. Began. So I have read everywhere. Planning word is not there. She planned to be a professional writer. Actually, recommended playing. Manfield recommenced playing the cello, an occupation that she believed during her time at Queen's she would take up professionally. She also began contributing to the no. She would take up professionally. So I think plan to be no. Planning was to take up professionally this game. An occupation that yes. So this is false. I will mark it. If answer is yes means true, then you can please text me in comment section. I will look it again. Mansfield fifth number question was unpopular. Unpopular here means not popular with the other students at Queen's College. If she was popular, then it will be false answer. If she was not popular, then it will be true answer. Let's find it. Okay. Fellow students word is there. Okay. 19th century British writer Oscar Wilde, and she was appreciated among fellow students at Queen's for her lively and charismatic approach to life and work. So she was appreciated among fellow students means she was popular in fact. Then only fellow students can appreciate if they know that person personally. So it means this is false. Unpopular. She was in fact popular. That's why every fellow student appreciated. Okay. So next 6, in London, Mansfield showed little interest in politics. Okay, politics, it doesn't mean that you will get the same word. So in London, UK, it is given. So after location of 5th number, we have got, and the pair became, so they are talking about fellow students, queens for her. She met fellow writer Baker, a South African, at the college, and the pair became lifelong friends. Mansfield did not actively support the suffragette movement in the UK. So that is politics. Movement, when some movement is there in the university or outside, that is political kind of thing. So in London, Mansfield showed little interest in politics. So that is also true answer. Okay, let's do next question, that is fill in the blanks. You can get PDF also if you want. Last February PDF also I have made all papers except 28th February. And you can get recent exams from January 2026 and last year full all 12 months exams I have. You can always ask me on my WhatsApp. So let's do this. Complete the notes below. So let's read the instructions. One word and or a number. So and a number means number, fill in the blanks, definitely it will come. So one word means you can write only one word, not two words. So let's read the complete the note. So first note they have given Katherine's Mansfield adult years. Okay. So moved from England back to New Zealand. So wherever we have left the location of 6 number question, after that we will get it because many paragraphs are left still. So this paragraph we have done this also. Okay, so London adult year, moved from England back to, she moved to London in this. Okay, now this we have read it. So let's try to find it here. Mansfield first began journeying into other parts of Europe in period this and this. Back to England, from England to New Zealand it is given. Okay, England is also there. Let's read it. So began journeying into other parts of Europe in 1903 and 6, mainly to Belgium and Germany. After finishing her schooling in England, she returned to her New Zealand home in 1906. So here 1906 will come. That is this and a number. Okay. So 7th is 1906. So 8th question, first paid writing work was in publication based in. So when she wrote it, first payment was she received it. Okay, let's read it. Only then beginning to write short stories in a serious way. She had several works published in Australia in a magazine called Native Comparison, which was her first paid writing work. So we were looking for first paid writing work in a publication based in. So here it is given Australia. Okay, so Australia will come here. You can write it Australia. Okay, just check the spelling. Okay, coming to 9th number, her dash and New Zealand way of life made her feel dissatisfied in 1908. So let's find 1908. Okay, so 1908 it is not there. Here it is also not there. 1908. No. So 1908 and 1911 and 19. I think 1911 is here. So but we are looking for her dash and dash. Okay. Mansfield rapidly grew discontented. Discontented here means she was not happy, dissatisfied. Mansfield rapidly grew discontented with the provincial New Zealand lifestyle. Lifestyle is also there, and with her family. So her word is given. So here family will come. Her family and New Zealand way of lifestyle made her feel dissatisfied. Here discontented. So 9th is family. Now coming to 10th number. So they are talking about 1911 and 1919. So Dash reverted Mansfield and Murray from staying together in Paris, spent time with distinguished. Okay, so let me shift the page. So we were looking for this Dash perverted. Okay, Mansfield and Murray. So Murray is also there, Mansfield is also there. The Oxford editor of the literary rhythm, they were later to marry in met John Middleton. I'm looking for 10th one. Huh. Okay, yes, sequence is here. She met this person, John Middleton Murray. Okay, Oxford editor. Perverted. Okay, they were later married. In this became a co-editor of the Rhythm, which was subsequently called Blue Review, in which more of work published. She and lived in various houses in England and briefly in Paris. So Paris is also here. The Blue Review failed to gain readers, was no longer published. Their attempt to set up as writers in Paris was cut off by Murray's bankruptcy. Perverted. So what is perverted? I don't understand. Paris spent time with distinguished. Okay, something is distinguished. Their attempt to set up as writers in Paris was cut short by bankruptcy, which resulted from the failure of this journalist. Life back in England meant frequently changed addresses and very limited funds. Paris spent time with distinguished dash. Distinguished, I think maybe changed. Changed, distinguished is not same actually. Which was subsequently called the Blue Review. Distinguished address may be there, or so I will just mark it, just write it here, address. Okay, so here distinguished. Together in Paris, spend time with distinguished dash. So distinguished kind of thing here I have found it means something different they were. Well-known writers of the time such as this and this. Okay. So moved between England and Bandoi, France, she and Murray developed close contact with other well-known writers. But okay, they spent time in Paris, together in Paris, spent time with distinguished writers. We can write it here. Distinguished means well known, you can say. So that is writers. Now coming to 1916. 1920. Let's find 1920. 1918 is there, 1920 is there. Tuberculosis restricted the time she spent in London and her dash. Okay. She could no longer spend time with writers in London. 1920. Bliss and other stories in 1920, that was to solidify Mansfield's reputation as a writer. Okay. She's 1920 is there. Time period is tuberculosis. We have tuberculosis. She could not. Oh yeah, tuberculosis is here. Okay. Was advised to enter a sanatorium. Restricted the time she spent in London dash. Her dash was consolidative and bliss. So bliss is also there. So bliss is also there. So when Bliss and other stories was published and wrote several stories of Villa. Okay, so it means location is from here to here. She has been diagnosed with tuberculosis and was advised to enter a sanctorium. She could no longer spend time with writers in London. In autumn 1980, she was so ill that she decided to go to this. It was the publication of Bliss that was to solidify man's reputation. So her word is given. So her reputation word will come here. So reputation was consolidated when means was recognized when these stories were published. Okay. Now coming to this 1923 is here. Dash published more of her works after her death. Okay. Who published means some person is there. Mansfield produced a great deal of work in the final years of her life. Much of her prose and poetry remained unpublished at her death. After her death, her husband Murray took on the task of editing and publishing her works. So her works is there. It means her husband will not come. Only husband will come here, not her, because we have to write only one word. So in this way we have completed this reading. But 10th number question, I really couldn't understand what they want to say about this fill in the blanks.